How's it going, guys? HJ here, and I teamed up with Kicks by Emma, and we'll be showing you how to hand paint using stencils. So there's a lot of videos with how to airbrush with stencils, but this will be specifically how to hand paint using stencils. So if you'd like to order a pair of customs, check out KicksbyEmma.com. Also, guys, we are having our first giveaway, so watch till the end of this video to learn how you can enter. And what she did before painting is she actually removed the factory finish. You can do that with acetone, with nail polish remover, as long as it has acetone, or a deglazer. So once you remove the factory finish from your shoe, you can go ahead, you can start painting. So she'll be painting the toe box and then the Nike swooshes. If you all want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Also, to enter the giveaway, you also want to make sure that you are subscribed. And here you can see that she is just using one layer of paint. You don't want to use too many coats of paint. If you do so, the paint will get clumpy and it won't look as perfect. There's a few different methods of applying your stencils. I'm just going to be showing you this way. So she's applying it one by one. And it does take a little bit of time, but overall you get much better results. So there's a positive part of the stencil and a negative part of the stencil. I always recommend using the positive stencil, but it does depend on what you want your custom to look like. It is much, much easier if you use the positive part of your stencil, as she is doing. So one issue a lot of people run into is they use stencils and then they have a lot of paint bleed. So most important news of all time, what you need to do when doing stencils is you're gonna go over it with one coat at least of paint of that color. So if there is any paint bleed, it'll be that color that you want it to be anyways. So that's why she's going over it with tan. So for instance, if you're going to be doing shoes and you want the design to be the white logos with red, let's just say, you would place your stencils, go over it with white paint first, and then with red. So here you can see she did the tan first, she placed the stencils, she did tan again over top of it, and then now she's going over it with brown. So if you get any paint on your shoe where you don't want it to be, as long as it's on the leather and not the threading, it's totally fine. You can use a Q-tip and then a little bit of acetone just to remove any excess paint. Again, don't get it on any of the threading. The threading is much more difficult to remove any paint. So make sure that your shoes are completely dried. You can use a hair dryer to speed up the process, and then you can go ahead and remove the stencil. And since she went over the stencils that one time with the tan color, there's pretty much no paint bleed at all. So it's perfect. If you do have a little bit of paint bleed, no worries, you can go ahead, touch it up, and then put your finisher on. And most paints do have a built-in finisher. However, it's always good to do another finisher over top just to prevent any scratches. So Angelus has a finisher that she's using. There's also LK finisher. But you can see these shoes are good to go. So check out Kicks by Emma, and it is giveaway time, guys. So for this giveaway, it's gonna be for Angelus. So I personally like Angelus, Jacquard, and Alpha Flex paint. I'll go ahead, I'll link the information below, but first place, if you get first place, you get a $30 e-gift card for Angelus. Second place, you get some super sweet stencils from me, so $40 worth of stencils or 4 sheets, and then third place, $30 worth of stencils. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys more information in the caption below, but you have to be subscribed to my website and YouTube, and then comment why you deserve to win. So if you guys want to go to my website right now, I'll go ahead, I'll link it in the caption. I'm pretty much gonna link everything in the caption below, and then your comment on why you deserve to win. So this can be something really meaningful, this can be something completely ridiculous. It's really up to you. So also a bonus, comment what topic I should do next. And then you can enter as many times as you want. You just need to give a different comment every single time. So the paint is worldwide, Stencils is only to the USA. So you can write pretty much anything, comment what topic. You can write a sob story as to why I should choose you. Again, it's going to be completely random. So you writing a really great story doesn't have any influence on if I choose you, but the more times you comment, it does give you a much better chance of winning. So here's just a sample entry of what you'd want to do after you subscribe to my website and my YouTube. So this is an example comment as to what you'd want. And then remember, you can enter as many times as you would like. And then be sure to use the hashtag HJArtistry giveaway, so then I know that this is a true entry, not just some random spam comment. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I'll be doing that live giveaway in about a week. Good luck, guys.